Welcome to Archiesense. Stella Casa is a contemporary villa designed to suit the hillside terrain. The villa takes advantage of the topography to create interconnected functional volumes, with optimal orientation to enjoy the views, while creating a harmonious relationship between the interior and exterior spaces. The villa is composed of parallel blocks dynamically stacked, creating an interesting visual structure. Between the blocks are garden courtyards and walkways that function as continuous green spaces. Naturally connecting the various areas of the house and introducing natural elements into the living space. Expansive glass windows are a key element of the design, allowing for unobstructed panoramic views and an abundance of natural light. These glass panels not only make the villa feel bright and airy, but also frame the beauty of the surrounding landscape, making it an integral part of the villa's visual experience. A large swimming pool with a dramatic waterfall feature is the focal point of the outdoor design. The pool is designed to blend in with the surrounding landscape, creating a luxurious and tranquil relaxing space. The cascading waterfall provides a peaceful atmosphere, emphasizing the area's role as the center of the villa's outdoor life. A carefully designed staircase connects the different levels of the villa, creating a seamless transition between the interior and the rooftop. The open-plan living room and kitchen directly face the pool and garden, creating a flexible flow of interaction between the interior and exterior, supporting a comfortable and harmonious atmosphere for relaxing and socializing.